Hi, this is Nicole with So Much More. Today we're going to talk about machine maintenance for my JUKI Du-1181N. To begin, you can lift and lean back your industrial sewing machine. Have your machine rest on the back peg. It's very heavy, so be careful. Now your bobbin area is accessible. Using your lint brush, clean out the bobbin area. You want to brush away all that lint and dust. Just be careful not to have any of that lint, dust, or debris fall into the oil pan, which is right next to the bobbin area pan. Just sweep that bobbin area pan free of all the threads and dust and lint also. Now is a really good time to clean out the bobbin case. You'll really be surprised about how much dust and lint gets built up in that little case. While your machine is in the upright position, go ahead and check your oil level. It should be in between the high and the low mark. Also just check the bottom of the pan, make sure there's no debris. Sometimes pins can fall into the oil or thread. Or even bits of lint or dust. You just want to make sure it's all clean underneath and inside of the pan. Remove the screws from the throat plate, and you can just take that throat plate off of the top of the machine there, or the bed of the machine, and then take your lint brush and clean in that area underneath there. You lift up your feed dogs or your presser foot and clean that feed dog area. When you're done here, you can just put your throat plate back in and make sure the screws are nice and tight. Now you're going to take your machine oil and you're going to lubricate several different places on your machine, and they're marked in red. So there's a space right there on the back side. Let me move my camera around here. There's also a couple places towards the bottom and one right in the middle there. It's hard to see. And also on the top side there is another one. All of these, you'll just put a drop of oil into those. And underneath this little cap here, this little plastic gasket, is a little piece of felt that needs some drops of oil also. This is just a close-up image of what is inside of the machine, that little piece of felt. Set your speed by turning the dial on your servo motor to 1280. Lift your presser foot with your knee and press the pedal. Get the machine going really fast so that the oil has a chance to work through the machine. The goal here is to see oil splashing in the sight glass. And you'll see little drops of oil. It's kind of bubbling up. Watch closely. Oh, did you see that little spot hit the sight glass? That's what you want. Then it's oiled up. Now I know it might seem silly, but don't forget to put your dust cover on your machine. It'll keep all sorts of bad things out. And don't forget to subscribe and share, and also sign up for my newsletter. See you guys at the next video.